In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a gallery to Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clean, rotating image showcase using your theme's built-in slideshow section, perfect for highlighting products, promotions, or brand visuals. Start in your Shopify admin. From the left menu, go to Online Store to access your themes. Open your current theme's editor by selecting Edit Theme. This takes you into the Visual Customizer, where you can add and arrange content on your storefront without touching code. Inside the editor, look to the left sidebar and choose Add Section. A search panel will appear. In the search box, type Slideshow. You'll see a slideshow option appear in the results. Select Slideshow, and it will be added to the page you're editing. You can drag it where you want it to appear, but for now, let's focus on setting up the images. With the slideshow selected, check the right-hand settings panel. You'll see controls for individual slides, including an image area. Click the image field to open your media options. Choose Select if you already have images in your Shopify library, or click Upload Image to add a new file from your computer. When your file browser opens, pick the image you want, confirm the upload, and wait for it to finish. Once it appears in your library, choose it and click Done to apply it to the slide. A few quick tips while you work. Use high-quality, horizontally oriented images for the best visual impact. Keep aspect ratios consistent across your images so the slideshow doesn't jump in height, and aim for optimized file sizes to help your store load quickly. If your theme offers text overlays, you can fine-tune headings, subheadings, and buttons from the same panel so the images and copy work together. If you prefer help writing the slide text, you can use the built-in Generate AI tools available in the section. Click into the slideshow section to reveal the option, then choose Generate. Type a brief description or prompt that explains the message you want on your slide, something like a seasonal promotion or a brand value, and let the tool create draft text. It may take a moment to process. Review the result and adjust the wording so it matches your tone and is easy for shoppers to scan. That's it. You've added a gallery to your Shopify store using the slideshow section, uploaded your images, and optionally generated on-brand text right in the editor. Take a final look in the preview to make sure spacing, readability, and image framing look great across desktop and mobile. When you're happy with it, your new gallery is ready to showcase your store's best visuals.